one, I try not to get political anymore, but I need to say something about the declassification of nursing. It's not a real job. It's just, how, how could anyone devalue and degrade such an important profession? And I wonder what's going to happen to all of us. I wonder about myself every day, living the way I do, and so, you're just kind of, the government can do whatever it wants. And now that's really true. The government really can do whatever it wants. That's terrible though. We need nurses. They're very important as teachers are, and many others on the list. It's just terrible. I pray for the nursing profession and the teaching profession. You're valued and we need you, and just know that you are important. That's all for today. I'll talk to you soon.